4 prepositions in Jamaican Patois. A preposition comes before a noun and connects it to another part of the sentence. 4 common prepositions are on, in, under, and beside. In this lesson, I will tell you what these are in Jamaican Patois, so please keep watching.
Come and me teach you Patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. So let's get into this. On in Jamaican Patois is pon or pan, pon or pan. Now let's look at some examples. If I wanted to say the book is on the bed, in Jamaican Patois this would be the book de pon the bed. The book de pan the bed. Let's look at another example. The books are on the bed. If I wanted to say this sentence in Jamaican Patois, it would be the book them de pan the bed. The book them de pan the bed. And if you notice, the plural for book is books. In Jamaican Patois, this is book them. Book them. Remember to pluralize nouns in Jamaican Patois. Usually, one simple rule applies, usually, and it's just a them behind the noun. And I did an entire video about pluralizing nouns in Jamaican Patois, and I'm going to link it right here. Next, the man is on the bus. If you wanted to say that in Jamaican Patois, you would say the man depan the bus. The man depan the bus. The man depan the bus. And once again, if you want to pluralize this, the men are on the bus, you would say the man dem depan the bus. The man dem depan the bus. And once again, the plural of man is man dem in Jamaican Patois. Next example, she is walking on the street. To say this in Jamaican Patois, it would be she a walk pan the road. She a walk pan the street. She a walk pan. On is pan or pon. Another variation of this is she a walk pan the road could be she de walk pan the road. She de walk pan the road. Depending on where in Jamaica you are, some people will use a for is, the copular verb to be. A could replace is, but in some cases, especially in locations, de will replace is. So she de walk pan the road is okay. She a walk pan the road is also acceptable. You'll hear both of those variations. Okay, the next preposition we're looking at is in, and in Jamaican Patois, in can be in or in or ina. And let's look at some sentences. We will meet in November would be we are going to meet up in a November. We are going to meet up in a November. And we will in Jamaican Patois can be translated to we are go. We are go. We will, we are go. We could also be we will meet up in a November could also work. We will meet up in a November. Or we are going to meet up in a November. Both mean the same thing. Next sentence, the book is in the bag. In Jamaican Patois, this would be the book, the inner, the bag. The book, the inner, the bag. And once again, we see is being replaced by de in this case. And this is because de is used for location in most cases. So the book is in the bag. In Jamaican Patois, is can be replaced by a or de. Both of them mean is or are or any of the to be form of the verbs. And in this case, you would use the book de in the bag because we're talking about the location. The book in the bag would be incorrect because de is used for the location. Where is the book? The book de in the bag. The book is in the bag. Okay, next sentence. I am not going in there. How we would say this in Jamaican Patois is me nah go in there. Me nah go in there. And you can use minago inde or minago inde, depending on how you want to stress it. Both would be acceptable. Minago inde. And of course, I am not going is minago. Minago inde. Okay, the next preposition we're looking at is under. And under in Jamaican Patois is under or under. Under or under. And under, in this sentence, the cat is under the table. In Jamaican Patois, this would be the puss de under the table. And cat can be cat, we say cat as well, or we say puss. The puss de under the table. Next sentence, his shoes were under his bed. And this sentence in Jamaican Patois is him shoes did they under the bed. Him shoes did they under in bed. And if you notice, the plural form shoes in Jamaican Patois is shoes them. And based on the rule, you would think that it would be shoe them because of the singular is shoe, and usually in Jamaican Patois we use the singular and then just add them to get the plural. But in this case, it's the plural form that is used. The shoes them. The shoes them did they under in bed. And another thing to note in this sentence, when we have were here, were under the past tense of is, we have did they. The shoes were under, the shoes did they under. So the past tense is did they or dida based on the sentence. In this case, did they is the correct form. Okay, once again, the next preposition we're looking at, and I think this is the final one for this video, is beside. And in Jamaican Patois, beside is beside or sida. Or some people say besida as well. Beside or sida or besida. And if you notice, the spelling here might look a little strange, but I'm using Cassidy JLU spelling in this lesson, but I put the common spelling underneath because in this case, the Cassidy JLU spelling looks really strange if you're not used to it. So in this case, I just put it underneath, the common spelling underneath. So let's look at some sentences. Beside. She was sitting beside me. How we'd say that in Jamaican Patois? She did a sit down side of me. She did a sit down side of me. She did a sit down side of me. Was sitting in Jamaican Patois is did a sit down. Let's look at another sentence. She put her cup beside mine. And this would be she put her cup side of me one. She put her cup side of me. Now, if you notice, mine here is the possessive pronoun. Mine. In Jamaican Patois, this would be fimi or fimi own. Fimi own is really my own, but in Jamaican Patois, mine is really fimi, but we usually say fimi or fimi own, and that translates to mine in English. Fimi or fimi own. If you wanted to say yours, you could say fiu or fio one. If you wanted to say his, that would be fim or femon. I'm going to do an entire video lesson on this later on, so don't worry about it right now. And yeah, let's look at the assignment for today. You know what I noticed? I noticed that a lot of you guys don't do the assignments. I don't know why, but you should do the assignments. It helps you to learn, you know. But anyway, the assignment for today is using one of these 4 prepositions that I talked about in this lesson: on, pon or pan, in, ina or in, under, under, beside or sida or besida. Using any one of these prepositions that we looked at today, just make a sentence in the comment section below. I'm going to come in and try to check the sentences and give you some feedback. So yeah, it's good practice. So go and make that sentence, all right?
That takes us to the end of this video. I hope you found some value and thank you so much for watching. Please check out some of the other videos that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Adi bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine.